Hi, I'm Louisa Sijabat, a liquidator and bankruptcy trustee. Today's question is, what's to stop a company or a director of a company racking up really big debts just before the company goes into liquidation if it's all going to be wiped out in the liquidation anyway? So the answer to this question is something called insolvent trading. So you can't incur a debt or can't cause your company to incur a debt if you're the director of the company when you think it's no longer able to pay its existing debts, which is usually the case if you think the company's headed into liquidation. If you do, once it goes into liquidation, the liquidator can go to you and identify those debts that were incurred by the company or caused by you as the director to be incurred by the company in that lead up when you thought it was no longer reasonable that the company could repay its debts and was hence insolvent, and ask you as the director to pay to pay an amount of money equal to those debts to the company as compensation. So this is something called insolvent trading. If the liquidator thinks you've done it dishonestly, there can also be potential criminal consequences. So this is something you really don't want to be doing. Once you think the company is no longer able to pay its debts, do talk to someone about putting it into liquidation, and definitely don't intentionally rack up more debts at that point.